Start of 800 meters run for men and men under 23 years. Heat number 1.
And the result, women 23, discus throw. First, Payal Ghosh, Suttagar Chhatra Sangh, distance cover 26.18 meter. Second, Payal Kundu, Suttagar Chhatra Sangh, distance cover 25.24 meter. Third, Shilpi Bishwas, Kyoto Sports and Cultural Organization, distance cover 25.06 meter. তোমরা 50 সামনে আসবে। পায়েল ঘোষ, পায়েল কুন্ডু, শিল্পী বিশ্বাস, তোমরা 50 সামনে আসবে।
Here's the announcement for the event hexathlon for boys under 16 years. After the completion of 3 events, the score for bib number 136 is 1096 points. Bib number 850 has secured 890 points. Bib number 346 850 points. Bib number 1016 has 802 points. Bib number 1091 779 points. Bib number 386 has 416 points. Bib number 1052 has 1124 points. Followed by bib number 585 has secured 1001 points. Bib number 139 has secured 867 points. Bib number 931 has secured 802 points. Bib number 757 807 points, and bib number 853 164 points. Thank you.
পায়েল ঘোষ, পায়েল কুন্ডু, শিল্পী বিশ্বাস, তোমরা 50 সামনে আসবে। এই পুরস্কারটি দেবে শান্তিপুর আঞ্চলিক ক্রীড়া সংস্থার কোষাধ্যক্ষ তুহিন ইন্দ্র মহাশয়।
Oh my God! মজা